Dress it up and make it real for me.
He's the best.
Whatever that fucking means. Get it so and style for me. Spend a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Wahn-nay. I don't even know if I ever pronounce my name in any of these videos. So if you didn't know, my name is pronounced Wahn-nay, not Wahn-nay, not Wahn-nay, Wahn-nay. Thank y'all for joining and watching this video, y'all. I am I just took a hairstyle out yesterday and I washed my hair this morning. I didn't have time to do anything to my hair. I have a trip this weekend. I will be going to Puerto Rico with my sister for her birthday. So I'll be getting my hair done Wednesday and I'll probably be recording another video by that point. So y'all will see my new hairstyle. But I am here to do a haul, y'all. I have about, if I estimate, including my hair that I ordered for myself and my sister, my clothes, this is probably like a good $500 to $700 haul. Just assuming, right? So first, I have a package from DHL. I have my own wig supplier that I get my wigs and bundles directly from China. I've been utilizing this vendor, this hair plug, since like 2021 or 2020, I believe. It's been a minute. Then I have an order from, where's this from? Shein. I have 2 packages from Shein. And then I have a package here from FashionNova. So let's get into it. Alright, so I have some like sandals here that I ordered. So I thought this would go good with some of my outfits. Alright, I have these shoes from Shein. Let me try them on, y'all, because I ordered these in a 7.5. I usually get my shoes in a 7 from there, but okay. They fit good. They fit good. They fit well, y'all. I will not be trying on any of the items, the clothing items today because I have so much to do, but I will record another video and it's all going to be meshed into one video for this haul where y'all actually see me try the stuff on. Let's open up the hair package now. So one thing about it, y'all, I have come to the conclusion that, you know, wigs, me and wigs, we have like a love and hate relationship, especially full lace wigs, because y'all, the way I be getting hot with these wigs on, baby, I had to go back to the basics. I'm getting a sew-in, okay? I'm getting a sew-in. I've been like big on quick weave sew-ins, not sew-ins because I haven't got sew-in since for like 2 years, but I've been big on like quick weaves lately and just not having to glue anything around here, around my perimeter, around my hairline, and I don't sweat it out. So like that's the upside to it. All right, so they sent me a phone case because they love me so much, y'all. My plug sent me a free phone case. I don't know if I can rip this, y'all. Got some tape on it. This shit is taped up good. Oh, that is so cute, y'all. Look at this. That is adorable. I love them. Okay. They also sent trick or treat. What is this? This is so cute. Oh, it's like a miniature bag. I'm going to give this to my daughter. So cute. And I have 2 wig caps. You can never have too many wig caps, like ever. Alright, and for my sister, y'all, she got loose wave bundles. Now, let me open these up and see y'all. They're like true to length. I ordered my sister, you know, her bundles for her birthday. That's her birthday present for me. So I have some loose wave bundles here for her. And this is the 26-inch, y'all. It's not giving it, but maybe I'll be surprised. Let's see. Because it's like curly, so of course it's not gonna just straight out the, you know, automatically give that. Okay, yeah, now like when you do it like that, it's definitely giving. Not really like a smell to it. You know, some bundles when you get them, they be a little fishy. I can run my hands through. That's all that came out. Just one piece of hair, y'all. So Very, very minimal shedding, and I love that. So I'm gonna put these back in. I don't wanna touch her bundles too much. But I'm gonna show y'all mine that I got. Me, myself, I got waterway bundles. So I'm just gonna pull the shortest bundle out, which I got 20, 22, 24 for myself. Okay, it's so pretty. No smell for real. All right, that's my bundle. So that's the hair, you guys. And of course, I'm gonna come back when it's installed. I get it installed on Wednesday. Today is Monday, November 17th. November 18th. And I'll go with the FashionNova order now. I probably should have opened these packages off camera. Jesus. This is really what was making it hard to open, this jacket. So FashionNova had like a good sale going on. And I was able to snatch some stuff up. So I have this puffer jacket, olive green. Of course y'all know this, like I said in my previous video, one of my favorite colors. Very cute, and the girls in the review said this was very warm. That was a concern of mine. You know, I like style, I like things to be cute, but I want to be warm. Like, I'm not ordering it to be cute. I'm ordering this, well, I am ordering it to be cute, but I'm ordering it to be warm. Then I have a bodysuit here. I was kind of skeptical about ordering this, but I think it's cute. Bodysuit. And then I have an activewear set here because we're supposed to be doing some activities in Puerto Rico, and I need to be ready because I'm not wearing no jeans, none of that. Y'all, I ain't never seen no pants like this. Never. They know they could have left these pockets off. I didn't even notice that when I ordered these. And then of course we just have the top to go with it. Sorry, these are my little shorts I ordered. Now, if you recall my last haul where I had that like jersey shirt, I ordered these to go with that. Very cute. Very demure. I have another activewear set. Alright, we have these shorts. And the top. And the top is also padded. Really dope because somebody like me, I'm not an A cup. I'm a B cup. Somebody like me need that. Itty bitty titty committee. Then lastly from FashionNova I have this crop sweater. Y'all know I love a crop sweater. And this is real cute, I felt like. It's different. Okay, so that's it for the FashionNova order, y'all. Shein part 1. What the heck is that? There's something hard in here. I'm sorry, y'all. Don't mind my my outburst. Please don't. What is this? Oh, this is the purse I got, y'all. This is too cute. It's too cute. Now, this is very cutesy, very demure. How do I open it though? Oh. And then on the inside, it does have a chain, so if I wanted to not wear it like a, what's the word, y'all? I can't even think of the name of the purse that you, a clutch. If I don't want to wear it like a clutch, then I can, you know, add that on. Love it. Love it. All right, and then I have another pair of little just slides. Something real simple, you know, slide my feet into. I'm on the beach. Oh, this is so cute, y'all. Too cute. But I don't know, I gotta see how the titty situation, the breast situation gonna work out, because certain tops I can't do because, you know, I don't have big boobs. women, y'all know my struggles. Like certain clothes you just know you can't wear because, well, I'm the type. I'm not gonna like, if it doesn't flatter my body, I'm not wearing it. Okay, then I have this dress. Now I just hope my chest looks right in this, which I think it should. This is a, I don't know if it's knitted or crocheted, but it is really, really, really cute, y'all. And I feel like with the curly hair, it's just gonna set this off. Now, granted, I still have a lot of stuff that I haven't wore yet from, you know, I just ordered from previous ships. I don't know why I feel like every time I go on a trip, I just gotta order a bunch of shit. To each his own. I live for the little, like, when you order from Shein and they have, like, shirts packaging, like, three in one. Yeah, I live for that. Like these. We have this top. What is going on with this top? Is it like I don't know, but y'all see what I tried on? Just this. So real simple, cute, like croppies that I could dress up during the fall and winter. You know, cardigans, jackets, all that good stuff. Oh, we got one more. This was a 4-pack. Excuse me. Okay, excuse me. Yeah. Ooh, I like that one. I love that color. It's just giving. All right, so now, unless it's something that really needs to be said, I'm just gonna silently show y'all the rest of the stuff. This is a top. It was really cute, so I gotta, you know.
There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, baby girl, you were so bad. Toy with my affliction, had to fill out my prescription. How do you? I had to set you free. Away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love set you free to fly your pretty wings around. Wings, your pretty wings, your
what's that covering, y'all? I know my titty's little, but damn. I don't know about this one.
I'm sorry I told you lies. I turned day into night, sleep till I die 1,000 times. I should have showed you better nights, better times, better days. I miss you more and more.
I just said it was a coat. I didn't think it was like real. Like this. And I also thought it was like a silk type of fabric. I don't know about it. To do the try on of the clothes and to like put together outfits. Yeah, because by the time I post this video, I'm probably gonna be back from Puerto Rico already. And yeah, the pictures will have dropped all of that. So stay tuned, you guys. Hi, you guys. So right now, what I'm gonna do is start packing my bag, and I have some stuff here that I have to like try on and see how I like it, and see if it's gonna make the cut to go in the suitcase. So let's see. Okay, y'all, this dress